The term permutation comes from a Latin word. Translated, it means interchange. It is usually used in mathematics, more precisely combinatorics. Permutation means the rearrangement of objects in a certain order. For instance, if we look at the numbers 1 to 4, you can rearrange the complete order. But it is also possible to switch only the 2 and 3. In a permutation without repetition, all objects are different. The example given before applies here. We have the 4 different digits 1, 2, 3 and 4. The number of all possible permutations of a set can be calculated using the factorial. For a set with n objects, n factorial different permutations are possible. The formula for factorial is as follows. N factorial is equal to n times n minus 1 times n minus 2, and so on until times 1 is reached. For our example, this means we have to determine 4 factorial. Using the formula, we calculate 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. This gives us the result 24. We can easily check that there are indeed 24 different possibilities to order the numbers from 1 to 4. In a permutation with repetition there are also identical objects. An example for this are the digits 4, 4, 3, 2. The number of possible permutations is calculated with a fraction. The numerator contains n factorial, thus the total number of all objects in factorial. The denominator consists of the product k1 factorial, times k2 factorial, and so on. The variable k stands for the number of times an object occurs. Let us now calculate the number of all possible permutations of our example. The numerator contains 4 factorial, because we have a total of 4 digits. In our case the 4 occurs twice, the 3 and the 2 occur once each. Therefore we write in the denominator 2 factorial, times 1 factorial, times 1 factorial. This results in 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 divided by 2 times 1 times 1. As a result we get the number 24 divided by 2, which is 12. So there are 12 possibilities to arrange the digits 4, 4, 3, 2.
Subscribe to our channel and share, like and comment our videos.